Hey guys, we're here at the Delamar by Pulte Homes, and this is in the southwest area. And as you can see, we're here in front of a model home called Delano, and this is a huge house, 3,158 square feet, and it's about $635,000. So let's take a look at this together. I haven't seen this, so I'm super excited, and let's take a look. Alright guys, this is the Delano, 3,158 square feet. That's your garage there. Nice stonework there. And let's take a look what's happening inside here. Oh wow, this is pretty nice open area here. I like that you can see the stairs immediately after opening the door. Look at this, Delano, 3,158 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. Let's take a look at what's happening here. You have your coat closet there. This is a massive half bathroom here with a window there. Hi guys. So that's your half bath. And let's take a look on this side of the home. Before we go to the main area, I wanted to visit first the second floor. I will definitely upgrade this one into a hardwood or luxury vinyl flooring. And this white railings here, I will upgrade it into a metal railing color gray. That's just me, that's my taste when it comes to railing. But this is a really huge loft area here, guys. You can almost put one entire bedroom in this section here, and you still have a little bit of area here, right? Look at this. It's huge. I think I will put another bedroom there because it's a huge space. Right? Nice. But of course, if you have this area here, you also enjoy the family time, right? Make your own luck. You know, I don't really believe in luck. I always think that the destiny or the things that are happening in life, in your life, is your choice. And also coupled with uncontrollable events, right? But I think I don't believe in luck. It's all about your work and the way you decide in life. Let's take a look at this bedroom here. This is a pretty nice sized bedroom because it's bigger than normal. You have these large windows here. You have this closet there. It's a nice large bedroom. And this is your dual vanity there. Hello. And bathtub there. I would choose like a walk-in shower here because sometimes it's, you know, the bathtub is not really being used often. So that's just me. Unless the code requires that you have at least one bathtub in the house, then you really have to have one. I think this area here is, I don't know, there is no socket for your laundry area. I don't know what it is because there's no water system also, right? Maybe this is just a storage area. Yeah. Because there's no water outlet or something for your laundry. Let's see here. Linen closet. You know what I noticed also? This walkway is pretty wide. This is another bedroom here. I love that bed there. It's a different style. Hello. Large circular window there. That's your closet there. And I think we're entering the owner's bedroom. This is a huge owner's bedroom again. I think they made this floor plans for the owner's bedroom to be larger than usual, because you can always put a lot of seating arrangement here and you still have a lot of space. And this triple treat windows here makes the room even brighter. Look at the view. You have a little view of the mountains there. In person, you can definitely see this much better than in the video. So this is your owner's bedroom. Let's check out the owner's bathroom. You have this nice grain of the wall, of the floor. Have this nice cabinetry color there. Hello. And then they have this dual. This is a very long dual vanity sink. Really makes the room really larger. So this, I think, can be upgraded into a much nicer floor for your shower. And this is another linen closet here. This is your toilet area here. And you have a massive walk-in closet, which I will definitely upgrade into a nice cabinetry with LED lighting. So that's my take if you have to upgrade the closet area. But this is a pretty large owner's bathroom. All right, let's go down. I think we've looked at all of the bedrooms here. So where is the laundry area? Maybe it's on the first floor, but we'll be able to check this out again if where is the laundry area. But again, this is a little unknown to me what this space is all about. All right, let's go down. You have your large window there, which is pretty nice. You have this massive window here. Hello guys, that you can see me. All right, we're entering. Before we enter that, look at this. They maximize this space here. So you have your huge storage there. And here we go. This is your living area. Wow, I love that wall. Let's take a look at this and span it so that you can appreciate how open it is. Dining area, living room there, and then you have your massive kitchen. Wow, I love this floor plan. You can see everyone here, but let me show you guys the design of the wall. This is like high-end. Really nice cabinetry. For some reason, I'm in love with the color of these cabinets. Right? It's pretty huge too. And what's in here? Let's check. Oh, okay. So this is the laundry that we are trying to search for in the second floor. You know, there was a space upstairs that we saw that doesn't have anything. I feel like that the laundry should be on the second floor, but this is a huge one here, and this is their feature area, which is the garage. See, 1 year coverage, 2 year coverage for plumbing, electric, HVAC, and other mechanical system. They have a 5 year coverage on various water filtration and internal links, and of course the standard 10-year structural warranty. Wow, and it is transferable. All right. They currently staged this to showcase what they have so far. Right? This is how it looks like from inside your walls. Let's go back inside and dig into this nice. I like the light colors, meaning it's so bright in here. Even the flooring is so bright. And of course, they use this signature linear fireplace, which makes it really modern. So I'm on the edge of this living room area, guys, so that you can see each corner of the living room area. I'm trying to show it to you guys so you have an idea when you're walking on this living room area how it feels. And this is your pantry area. Again, this color of the cabinets is gorgeous. It doesn't justify on the video, but definitely gorgeous in person. And they have changed it to this white. Now, I would put a waterfall here to make it more modern. I'm not a particular fan of this kind of sink. I like the silver one. Nice. Lots of really nice appliances here. This is a huge island as well. I think it's because of the light outside that makes the video as if it was a little darker, but in person, guys, if you go here, this is much brighter. All right, I'm seeing something there like an office, which I appreciate because I do work at home. So if I have this office, I'll be motivated to work smarter and harder. And not only that, because you have, oh wow, you can actually use this as a bedroom. Why? Because you have a closet here. Look, right? Yeah, I think I would also use this as a secondary bedroom / office because it has its own ensuite bathroom. Look at this. Nice tile there. Hello. And again, I would choose like a walk-in shower rather than a bathtub here. So yeah, this is a nice space for a first floor bedroom. If you have a guest from out of state and you wanted them to be separated from you upstairs, so they can take this area here as their bedroom. And one more time, I'm spanning this beautiful living room. It's large here. I feel so, it's very large. Oops. I wanted to show you the backyard. Of course, we will not end the video without looking at this backyard. Okay, so this is the backyard. Pretty similar size on the other models that I featured on my channel. This is the facade of the back of the house. I think you can put a mini jacuzzi area here if you want. You just have to make sure if it's allowed, because I think you have to have a certain distance from the foundation of the house so that you can put a jacuzzi there to go back inside the house. This is just a really, really very, very large space for a living room area, guys. And it's so old. I think it makes it more larger because of this entire wall designed by this wallpaper there, which is literally a thick wallpaper, I think. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this home tour. And I wanted to ask you guys to please subscribe down below, because once you subscribe and then put the bell notifications on, you won't miss any of the videos that I'll be posting in the future. Also, I want to invite you to check out the channel page, because I've posted a lot of videos there already that you can get ideas from the other communities of Las Vegas. And also, once we grow the channel, I'll be able to tour the entire United States, and we can feature some of the houses from other states as well. And also in the future, if we even get better and bigger, we will be touring the world and featuring different homes from other countries as well. And I really appreciate those people that are commenting, guys. Really appreciate it. It helps a lot because I can see your feedback, and also it's so fun to read all of your comments and get all of your insights about home tours. So please feel free to comment down below. Don't be shy. There's a lot of you guys that are watching that are not yet subscribed. I understand, but I also wanted to invite you to join and subscribe so that it's free, so you can enjoy the home tours in the future and you won't miss any of my videos. Until next time, I really appreciate you guys. Have a great and amazing day.